Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of editing your Bitmoji in Snapchat. If you want to make changes to your Bitmoji character and personalize it even further, stick around for this full guide. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, take a look at the screen. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on Bitmoji. This will open the Bitmoji customization options. Step 5. Once you're in the Bitmoji section, find the option that says Edit My Bitmoji. Tap on it to start making the necessary changes to your character. Step 6. Customize your Bitmoji according to your preferences. You can modify facial features, hairstyles, outfits, and more to create a unique representation of yourself. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit your Bitmoji in Snapchat, adding a personal touch and making it even more reflective of your style and personality. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.